Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Inshallah, we will make practice on Arabic letters, how it will be pronounced with Arabic vowels, fatha, dama, kasra, and double Arabic vowels like double fatha, double kasra, and double dama. Let's start reading, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Top line, that black letter is seen. Seen has fatha sign on the top. So let's spell out that letter seen with fatha symbol. Seen, fatha, sa, kho, fatha, kho, sa, kho, to, double kasro, tin. So this full word will be pronounced sakhotin, sakhotin. Next block. First letter is zo, zo, dama, zu. Mid letter is lam, lam, fatha, la, zula, lam, double kasra, lin, zulalin, zulalin. Next, the first letter known as fa has kasra symbol. It means we need to read down and low voice of that letter fa. Let's spell out like this: fa, kasra, fi. Big letter is Hamza. Hamza has high sound. Hamza, fatha, a, fi, a. Last letter ta, ta, double kasra, tin. We will pronounce now all letters together. Fi, a, tin, fi, a, tin. Next, ain, dama, u. Mid letter is nun. Noon, dama, nu. First two letters together. Unu, unu. The last letter known as qaf. Qaf, double kasra, in, unu, in, unu, in. Line number 2. First letter gain, gain, fatha, go, dot, fatha, do, goda, goda. Last letter is ba, ba, double dama, bun, goda, bun, goda, bun. Next, the first letter is lam. Lam, fatha, la. Definite letter known as ain. Ain, kasra, ai, لاعي با double dama bun لاعب لاعب. Next block. That letter is Alif. When Alif has some symbol on the top, like Arabic vowels, Fatha Dama Kasra, or double Fatha, double Dama, double Kasra, or Sukoon sign. So we will pronounce that letter as Hamza. Hamza, Dama, U, Zal, Dama, Zu, Udu, Udu, Noon, double Dama, Nun, Uzunun, Uzunun. Last word. Kaf, Dama, Ku, Ta, Dama, Tu, Kutu, Ba, double Dama, Bun, Kutubun, Kutubun. Last line. First block letter is Ain, Ain, Fatha, A. Next block letter is Lam, Lam, Fatha, La, Ala, Ala, Qaf, Fatha, O, Alaqa, Ta, double Kasra, Tin, Alaqatin, Alaqatin. Next block. Sin, Fatha, Sa, Fa, Fatha, Fa, Safa, Safa, Ro, Fatha, Ro, Safaro, Ta, double Kasra, Tin, Safarotin, Safarotin. Next. Shin, Fatha, Sha, Jim, Fatha, Ja, Shaja, Shaja, Ro, Fatha, Ro, Shajaro, Shajaro. Ta, double Dama, Tun, Shajaratun, Shajaratun. Last block. Of, Fatha, O, Ta, Fatha, Ta, O, Ta, O, Ta, Ra, Fatha, Ra, O, Ta, Ra, O, Ta, Ra. Ta, double Dama, Tun, Qataratun, Qataratun. صدق الله العظيم.